Welcome back, fellow Excel geeks. Come closer. I'm going to tell you one of the biggest secrets in Excel that most users are not aware of that is going to take your spreadsheet models to the next level. Shh, don't tell anyone. And that secret is a bit of a giveaway here. Tables, of course, Excel tables. Let's run through this together and I will talk through 5 reasons why tables are the number 1 option for Excel pros. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll chuck in a nice little tip on how to give your tables the cutting edge. Get ready to journey to the secret world of additional functions and features that utilising this cheat code will bring to improve productivity, to automate mundane tasks, and ultimately unlock more time for you to be able to focus on the things that are more important in your life. Firstly, referencing cells and building formulas becomes so much easier when using tables. Say goodbye to the references that we all know and love, the A1s, the A2s for each cell. Once we name our table, it becomes so much clearer to reference data in the formulas because the formulas will show the table name, the column header, which is a lot more easier to audit and to look at rather than the standard A1, A2 references. And this just makes it easier to not only build the formulas but also to understand what criteria the formulas are referencing. And I've been there myself where I've created a massive spreadsheet, I've got all these formulas in there, and then I have to go back 3 or 4 months later to review it, to analyse it, and all of a sudden I've got these traditional cell references on there for the A1s, the A2s. What was I thinking? What is this referencing? It's not quite clear. With the structured references of tables, this job becomes so much easier because the formula will actually say what table is referenced, what item is referenced. Much easier to audit. Another great reason for using tables is for the dynamic updating of formulas. In a table, once we create a new formula, this will be automatically added to every single row in that table. As new data is added to your table, Excel is dynamically going to add those rows, it's going to add the formulas, it's going to do all that hard work for you. Ultimately, this is going to save you so much time because you no longer need to copy, paste, add things. Excel is doing all this automatically. The third reason to use tables is that we can use this magic function called slicers. And if you've never used slicers before, you're going to be blown away by this feature in Excel. And what the slicers allow us to do is to dynamically filter the data. It allows us to produce these great reports that can just be at a click of a button, changed, filtered, recalculated, and it's just a nice way of presenting the data with a filter function. The slicers really come into their own once we start adding these to Excel dashboards. Now we have our data laid out in a tabular format. Congratulations, we've now unlocked the graphical view options in Excel. And let's face it, as much as the tables are looking nice, no one's really going to be interested in sifting through 12 pages of all this data, looking at it, not really understanding what it means. So having this graphical option allows us to take our data in the tables and put it into a nice presentation that someone can easily understand, that someone can easily read, and it's all going to link into all that data dynamically. As you update things in the table, it's going to update your graphs and charts. And some of these graphical view options that can be selected at a simple click of a button include charts, graphs, pivot tables, its older brother, Power Pivot, and of course, Power BI. The final reason we'd use tables in Excel is so that we can utilise Power Query features. Power Query is such a powerful tool, and once you start using it, it is a massive game changer. It automatically brings data in, puts it into tables, you can change the data, you can format it, you can add formulas to it dynamically. Really is a great function to be using in Excel. And not only that, but we can build relationships between our tables, and these relationships are effectively VLOOKUPs in the world of tables. And there we have it, instantly upgrade your data models by using Excel's biggest secret, tables. Now, as promised, here's a nice little tip on how to give your tables the cutting edge. Once we have a table in Excel, click on the Table tab and you will see a number of options to improve the presentation. This will include different colour schemes, styles. When you hover your mouse over these items, you will see a dynamic preview of what the table will look like once it applies that theme. As soon as you've decided on the best fit, click on the option and this will be applied to your table. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, then please check out one of my other videos where I'll take you through how to create a pivot table in 5 minutes using 5 simple steps. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to post any feedback in the comment section below. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.